This video I've known was coming, but I haven't been looking forward to it. I have some big changes. Good news or bad news first? Let's go with the good news. And all of you can give yourselves a pat on the back with this news, and that is the channel is growing and growing rapidly. I am so grateful to all of you for your efforts in subscribing, commenting, sharing, hyping. Because of you, I've experienced this tremendous growth. And something that I've really prided myself on and continue to pride myself on is valuing my audience. I've always said, and I'm going to always continue to say, that I love hearing from you. Your comments always make my day, and they're really a source for a lot of the video content that I produce. But I need to share the bad news with you. For like the last 3 months, I've kind of hit a threshold that I can't get past. I am a one-man show, and this isn't what I do for full-time work. I just wedge YouTube in the cracks where I can. Plus, I have a wife and currently 1 kid. Hopefully there's more to come. Then on top of that, I have been trying really hard since the dawn of time with my YouTube channel to respond to all of your comments. I hope you've noticed that. Well, I've officially hit a threshold here where I've got to either pick between responding to your comments or making new content. Up until now, I've been able to wedge everything in the cracks and make it all work. But now I'm to the point where I'm getting 200 comments a day, which is awesome. I'm not complaining at all about the comments. I love hearing from all of you. So keep them coming. But if I'm going to respond to every single one of those, it's literally like getting multiples of hundreds of text messages every day. I've tried tools and dictation systems and stuff like that have helped prolong the period of time that I've been able to continue responding to every single one. But I am now to the point that, unfortunately, I'm going to need to not prioritize responding to every single comment so that I can continue to use time and make content for you, which is the main goal. Now, you're still going to see me active in the comments. You just probably won't see me with a response to every single one like you have leading up till now. There's still ways for you to be sure and get my attention and get a response from me. One would be to become a channel member. It's a pretty cheap monthly fee, and one of the perks to being those people, besides getting the first look at my new content and stuff like that, is your comments will be answered by me, or at least you'll get some kind of response from me on your comment. Second, down in the description on my videos, I have links to where you can submit a guaranteed to be answered question. And then number 3 would be to go ahead and book a video consultation for an hour, and you can fire as many questions off as we have time to answer in an hour's time. I know a lot of my viewers have been taking advantage of those and have really found those helpful. Otherwise, go ahead, drop questions and concerns in the comments. I look at them, and questions, comments always leads to more content. So I could easily see myself, seeing a trend of questions that people are asking me, and I decide to make a specific video about the subject. Now let me tell you about some exciting things that are in the channel's future. First, I've got the plug-in solar array from Craftstrom Solar. It's just been sitting here generating solar for the last couple of months. I'm running a 6-month test on it to see how much power it offsets on my electric bill. So the results of that test is coming up in just a few short months now. So be excited for that. Second, everything looks a little sad here right now because we're the middle of winter still, kind of towards the end of winter, I'd say. And the lawn is in a very dormant state. But we've got a bunch of epic lawn care videos scheduled for this year. You may recall at the end of last year, I did a big overseed with some of the darkest colored lawn out there, and boy did it look good. So I can't wait to see how it comes back this year. And I may have a few little toys and tips and tricks to show you on how to make your yard look better with less work. We all enjoy that kind of idea, right? Do not worry, the lawn care content is just going to kind of be interwoven between my standard solar and, power programming content. So I just love lawn care, and a lot of you have enjoyed it as well in years past. So I enjoy bringing that to you guys during the lawn care season. I'm also going to be doing a deep dive into why you'd want to get a server rack battery over a golf cart battery and vice versa. In fact, that's already filmed and will be releasing in the very near future. And be super excited because I've got more power station hacks on the horizon. If you guys remember seeing the one I did on the EcoFlow units, here's a tiny snippet to remind you. I've got the EcoFlow Delta 2, and check this out. A massive 5 kilowatt hour golf cart battery hooked up through the expansion battery port itself. Or option 2, you can connect things this way and still utilize external batteries you already have. This is the Delta 2 OEM external battery, but then I've simply spliced into the extra battery cable here and added this golf cart battery to it. So you do not need to abandon your extra batteries you may already own. You can easily still make use of those while still adding massive cheap power expansion. Well, I am actively tinkering with Anker Solix units, and I think I have a breakthrough on them. I'll leave it at that for now. And I've got even more epic stuff on the EcoFlow side of things too. So don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. In fact, if anything, you're going to see more of me. You may have noticed that in recent days, I've actually been producing more content than I used to ever before. And I aim to try to continue with this new and increased pace just for you guys. So be excited. We've got all kinds of exciting things happening. You just won't see me as active in the comments as I once was. But please, please continue to leave your comments. I'm going to read them all. That's one of my favorite things to look at. If you need a for sure response from me, be sure and take advantage of those 3 options that I mentioned earlier in the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype. 5 favorite free things you can do to continue to build this momentum on the channel. Someday, it would be awesome to get to full-time on this for you guys. We're just not quite there yet. So I appreciate your continued help and support and helping us get to that point. I sure love and appreciate all of you. Stay tuned for more epic stuff coming up soon. Sneak peek about a custom 3D printed plug that's plug and play for your EcoFlow. Comment I saw it in the comments so I know that you made it to this point in the video. That may pay big dividends coming up here in the future.